You've probably heard inflammation is bad and thought, cool, I'll just nuke it with supplements, ice baths. Not so fast, that's a myth. Inflammation isn't your enemy, it's your body's emergency response team. It can be overzealous, sure, but without it, a paper cut could be life-threatening. Here's what it actually is. Splinter virus, overworked knee. Your immune cells send chemical flares. Blood vessels open up fluid platelets to patch holes. White blood cells to fight. That extra traffic makes things red, warm, swollen, sore. Those symptoms are the cost of a rapid repair. Zoom in, neutrophils arrive first. Think bouncers, grab gobbleblast intruders. Macrophages clean the mess call and reinforcements. Cytokines set rules, more heat to slow invaders, more pain. So I stop using the injured part, more nutrients to rebuild. That's acute inflammation. It ramps up, does the job, then powers down. The real problem, when the off switch fails. Chronic inflammation is like a fire alarm that won't quit. Blood vessels, joints, brain connections. Triggers include lingering infections, smoking, poor sleep, ultra-processed diets, unmanaged stress, certain autoimmune conditions. So what helps? Not blanket suppression, but smarter regulation. Move your body most days. Muscle contractions release anti-inflammatory signals. Prioritize sleep. 7 to 9 hours helps those off switches work. Eat more fiber, colorful plants. Omega-3s, they feed microbes that make calming molecules. Manage stress. Breathing sunlight, human connection. And use meds like NSAIDs only when needed and as directed.